Joining a WhatsApp group is a simple process that begins with receiving an invitation. A group admin must send you an invite link, which you can click to join the group. The invite link is usually shared through a personal message or posted on a different platform, like email or social media. Once you click the link, you will be directed to WhatsApp, where you can confirm your intention to join the group by tapping a button. Alternatively, if you already know someone in the group, they can directly add you as a member. If this happens, you will receive a notification letting you know you've been added. This option is available only if the group admin has allowed other members to add people to the group. If you're looking to join a group but haven't received an invitation, you can reach out to the group admin directly and ask them to add you. If the group is public, some admins may share the invite link openly, so you can join without needing direct permission. Once you've joined a group, you can start receiving messages and participate in discussions. Keep in mind that group admins can control who joins the group, so they may set restrictions based on privacy preferences.